الحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على رسوله الكريم أما بعد قال الله تبارك وتعالى في القرآن المجيد والفرقان الحميد أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم إن هذا القرآن يهدي للتي هي أقوم ويبشر المؤمنين الذين يعملون الصالحات أن لهم أجرا كبيرا. Honorable President, respected teachers, dear brothers and friends, Allah sent many prophets to this world at different times. The prophets spoke in Allah's name. The prophets taught people how to live on this earth. Allah gave books to these prophets. These books were holy. A true Muslim believes in all books of Allah. The Quran says Allah gave Suhuf to the Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salatu wassalam. The Quran says Allah gave Zabur to the Prophet Dawood alayhi salatu wassalam. Dear audience, Allah gave Torah to the Prophet Musa alayhi salatu wassalam. Allah gave Injil to the Prophet Isa alayhi salatu wassalam. Allah gave the glorious Quran to our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. He was the last and final prophet. Dear audience, the Quran therefore is the last greatest book to be followed. Before the arrival of the Quran, most of these heavenly books were lost or distorted. Some books were forgotten. Some people hid parts of their messages. Some made grave changes in it. But the Quran is complete. All words of the Quran are the words of Allah. No chance has ever been made in it. No part of it is missing. No part of it is forgotten. Dear audience, the Quran is the greatest sacred book. It is a standard to see the true from the false. It separates the untruth from the truth. It gives a complete set of rules for our daily life. Here I conclude my speech. وآخر دعوانا الحمد لله رب العالمين.